Nike honors the Boston Celtics championship heritage with a new Air Force One low inspired by the iconic franchise. While the Celtics have only won 2 titles since 2000, their dominance in the 1960s to 1980s continues to shape their identity, something this sneaker captures through vintage aesthetics and premium touches. The design features gold dubraes, metallic eyelets, and zig-zag yellow stitching, paired with a vibrant green satin swoosh. A warm suede midfoot and cracked leather overlays add a retro flair, while a sail midsole and gum rubber outsole give it a classic foundation. Retro mesh tongues and old-school tongue tags finish the look, echoing both the Celtics' legacy and the Air Force One's athletic roots. Though Nike has not announced an official release date, this Celtics-themed Air Force One low is expected to launch sometime in 2025.